Meaning of F-hole.
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 F-hole. The F-hole is a term used in the context of stringed musical instruments such as violins, violas, and cellos. It refers to the ornately shaped sound holes that are typically found on the body of these instruments. They are named F-holes due to their resemblance to the letter F. The F-shaped holes allow sound waves to escape from the inside of the instrument, producing a richer, fuller, and more resonant sound. They are an essential part of the design of the instrument and a significant factor in creating its unique sound.